Up first this evening, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson has described as worrying the number of children who are perpetrators of crimes. He's calling for combined action to address the issue.
So just how bad is it? The commissioner gave a breakdown of the figures at the JCF's monthly press briefing today. Anthony Lugg has our story.
It's a known fact that gang violence is the main driver of crime in Jamaica. However, the police have pointed to another factor which, if not addressed, the Commissioner of Police believes it could have debilitating effects on society in the long run. More children are turning to a life of crime. According to Major General Anthony Anderson, a significant number of persons below the age of 18 are contributing to crime. He says most of the perpetrators are between 15 and 17 years old.
Let's examine the 4-year period 2019 to present. Overall, during that time period, children have been charged with 875 major crimes in Jamaica. There have been 79 murder charges, 66 for shooting. A total of 175 children have been charged for rape over the period. There have been 256 charges for breaches of the Firearm Act, 175 for break-ins, 89 cases of robbery, and 65 for aggravated assault.
He called for collective action to prevent youngsters from embarking on a life of crime.
As the police, we engage in various early intervention strategies through our Community Safety and Security Branch and programs like the Police Youth Club. As we have spoken of previously, we work closely with the Ministry of Education and the Safe Schools program. However, we all must take this matter more seriously. The pandemic of violence is infecting our children. They are not merely innocent victims of violence. In far too many instances, children and adolescents are actually the perpetrators themselves.
The police commissioner also pointed to early intervention.
It is important that all institutions of society be vigilant and engage in early surveillance and monitoring, whether in the home, school, or elsewhere, so that we can identify the early signs of violent tendencies before they become a law enforcement problem.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.